You holding, yeah? You can't see anything, alright? So it's just aim at the road. Oh my god, we can see. Alright, we were just talking about how technology advances things and how we're shocked about the age of internet.
The new family fortunes.
So, which brings up my point. On the new family fortunes, I'm under a bit of pressure now. The question was, name a way that someone could send a message. Number one.
That's how they said.
Number one, and so they said, text message.
Yeah.
Number two, email.
Yeah.
Number three, Morse code.
No.
Number four, make a phone call. I'm just saying. Just saying.
Is that it?
But you know what? But you know what?
No.
Really deep.
Does anyone understand?
I understand. Really deep now, isn't it? Actually, people don't talk to each other anymore, do they?
That's it. That's it.
Do you know what?
I got saved by you, lads. Alright, we're sharing a room. We're sharing a bed together.
When you share beds together, I mean,
You don't go back. You can't go back.